Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little birdhouse. It's a tin one from a Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start by dabbing on some antique white. I'm just using my sponge dabber to dab on the paint. I did 2 coats. And I'm just filling it all in. Once I have that all painted and it's all dry, I'm going to take my paintbrush and some antique wax. And I'm going to wax the whole bottom of it. I didn't use my applicator because it was just a small area. And I didn't want to get any of the antique wax on the white. So I'm just kind of filling that all in. And then afterwards, I'm just going to take a baby wipe and wipe off any excess if I need to. I'm making sure I get that front. I did the sides and the back as well. Once that was all stained, I'm going to take this greenery stem and I just cut it down to the size of the circle on the house. And I'm going to hot glue that on. So I'm just going to put a nice thick coat of hot glue around, and then I'm going to set that on there. And then I just held that till it was adhered. Once that was all adhered, I had this little ornament from Walmart, and it comes in the mini Christmas section. This one was from last year, but I believe they have them again this year or something similar. I cut off the original hanger, and I put a piece of twine on it because it matched better with the project. So I'm just going to take that. I didn't even tie off the twine or anything, and I'm going to glue that right to the top of that greenery. And I'm going to let that hang in the center. And then I'm just going to cut off that excess twine. Once I have that all on there and all cut off, I'm going to take this bow I made from some ribbon that I got at Walmart also, and it has little Christmas trees on it. And I'm going to glue that right on that little hanger for the ornament so that it kind of hides most of it. Then once I had that all on there, I am going to trim down the bow on either side and make it even. And I'm just kind of adjusting the bow. And then in the center of that, I am going to add a snowflake. So I had this little snowflake, and I'm going to put that right in the center, so I'm going to glue that into place. And then I'm going to take a little bit of antique wax, and I am going to go around the edges of the whole house. So once that was adhered, I'm just going to take my applicator with the antique wax on it and just lightly go over all the edges of the house, just to kind of give it some definition so it doesn't get lost in all of that white. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and it was really, really easy. I think this would look adorable sitting on a shelf somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.